Hello everyone, my name is Rifki Rivaldi. I'm from the Faculty of Communication and Language. I'm here to give opinion about the ban on smoking on campus. For your information, I personally am also an active smoker, and my opinion about smoking in a campus area is that it's very good for students who don't smoke, and it is also very good for the cleanliness of the campus because there are not many cigarette butts scattered around the campus area. And it is to clean, there are so many campuses who have implemented a ban like this. But I sometimes still like to confuse it with smoke free. But there are still many students who still smoke on campus. In my opinion, the campus management should provide or facilitate student or staff area that can be used for smoking with this. With this, many students can maintain campus order. This can also reduce cigarette butts scattered around the campus area. Thank you. Hello guys, my name is Rifki Rivaldi and I'm will explain you my project English presentation simple present tense. So what is simple present tense? The definition of simple present tense is a form of tense that describes work or events that are happening at the moment. This tense from use the first form of the verb or verb 1 in constructing the sentence. Well, studying tense will be easier if you have previously understood or at least understand what is a verbal sentence, active nominal, verb form 1, 2, 3. Simple present tense formula like we have 1, 2, 3, 1 positive sentence, 2 negative sentence, 3 asking sentence. Actually, there are two simple present formula, namely the simple present formula in verbal and nominal form. However, usually in public school or basic grammar lesson, they only discuss SPT in verbal form. Present tense formula verbal. This is a formula for present tense. You can see the S or ES ending is only used for subject in the form of he, she, it. The SES ending on verbs does not apply to subject I, you, we, they, and the like. Addition is or es only for positive sentence. Do pair with I, you, we, they. Does pair with he, she, it. Look carefully at the example in the table in the next section. Example present tense. Positive like I think, you think, they think. Negative I do not think, you do not think, they do not think. Question do I think, do you think, do they think, do we think? And the following are example of simple present tense sentence that we wrote in English sentence and some of the translation. Positive example. 1. I live in a small town. We eat 3 times a day. They study English twice a week. Negative example like I do not live in small town. You do not speak English fluently. They do not study English twice a week. He does not speak Japanese. Question example. Do I live in a small town? Do you speak English fluently? Do we eat 3 times a day? Does he speak Japanese? Conclusion. The mistake that often occur in answering simple present tense questions actually lie in do not add is or es to the single subject he, she, it. Like he know is wrong. He knows correct. Adding s or es to negative sentence, the thing remember is that adding s or es only for positive sentence, whereas for negative verb sentence, it is no longer necessary to use the ending s or es on the single subject he, she, it. Like she doesn't know wrong. She doesn't knows is wrong. She doesn't know correct. Adding s or es has several rules of its own. Simple present function. In order to use the simple present tense formula correctly, we have to know when this tense is used. The following are several functions and used for the simple present tense, including to express. Simple present tense function. Simple present tense function. In order to use the simple present tense formula correctly, we have to know when this tense is used. The following are several functions and used for the simple present tense, including to express. This is a habitual action. Habitual actions state the activity are repeated until they become habit. Usually use adverbs such as usually, often, sometimes, every day, once a week, etc. Like I get up at 4 every day. Ray usually goes to work by bus. He seldom washes her clothes. B. General truth. The meaning is stating a truth that is generally known or everyone know, like the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Vegetarians don't eat meat or fish. Time information, time signal. The use for the simple present is usually characterized by the use of information in the form of frequency or adverb of frequency or AOF. The vocabulary below is useful for identifying whether a sentence is included in the simple present or not in a question. These words are usually used in the simple present tense, although their appearance is not required. This is an example for every day, every week, and this is a translate Indonesia. Simple present tense nominal form. Nominal simple present tense is a simple present tense sentence that does not have a verb or verb. You need to differentiate nominal and verbal simple present tense by looking at whether or not there is verb in it. Previously explained, there are at least two simple present tense formula, namely in verbal and nominal form. The following is the formula in nominal terms. Simple present tense formula: positive sentence, subject is or am or are plus complement. Negative sentence, subject is or am or are plus not plus complement. Question sentence, is or am or are plus subject plus complement. Example of simple present tense sentence, like I go to work, I teach English, I often play chess, I have different hobby, I never do it, like that. The simple present tense is used to express habit, general truth, and routine even in the present and future. There are two formula for the simple present tense, namely verbal and nominal form. The verbal form formula uses the first form of the verb and the subject, while the nominal form uses the auxiliary word is, am, are, along with adjective. Example sentence include daily activity, ability, trait, so those are some example definition and formal simple present tense, which is also accompanied by example sentence along with answer and translation. We will continue to update the article both in terms of written content and example of simple present tense in both verbal and non-verbal form. Thank you very much. This is my assignment project 1 English. Thank you.